Did you know that millions of people worldwide dismiss stiff knees, sore backs, and swollen wrists as just a normal part of aging? But what if I told you that what you think is wear and tear could actually be silent, chronic inflammation slowly damaging your joints from within? Today, we're revealing a simple, natural 14-day drink backed by Harvard research that has been shown to reduce joint pain by up to 68% in just 2 weeks. Most people assume joint pain is just mechanical damage or inevitable with age. Harvard Medical School's 2024 study followed 847 adults and discovered something shocking. The root cause isn't wear and tear at all. It's hidden inflammation quietly eroding your joints. When this inflammation isn't addressed, it leads to stiffness, swelling, and chronic pain. Traditional painkillers may only mask the symptoms, not solve the problem. Researchers found that calming this hidden inflammation allows the body to rebuild synovial fluid, the natural lubricant that keeps your joints moving smoothly. The solution? A simple morning drink made from 3 potent ingredients: turmeric, black pepper, and moringa. Together, they target inflammation at its source, activate cartilage regeneration, and improve nutrient absorption. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that blocks cytokines and inflammatory enzymes responsible for pain. Black pepper adds piperine, which boosts curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Moringa is rich in magnesium, calcium, and plant proteins that support cartilage repair. Using lukewarm water enhances absorption, improves blood flow, and helps flush out toxins naturally. A 2024 clinical trial in Japan found that participants who drank this mixture daily experienced a 52% improvement in flexibility and pain scores, dropping from 7 to just 2.3. Researchers call it a metabolic reset, a natural signal that tells your body to start healing from within. People who adopt this daily ritual notice stiffness, fading, sleep improving, and lighter mornings, almost like their body rebooted overnight. Because 80% of inflammation begins in the gut. This drink helps repair the gut lining and reactivates good bacteria, easing joint pain naturally. This drink also restores energy, boosts circulation, and promotes cartilage regeneration. Combine it with anti-inflammatory foods like blueberries, olive oil, and omega-3 rich nuts, and a 10-minute daily walk to multiply the results. Stanford research shows these simple habits can triple your body's healing response. Start your mornings with 1 cup, half a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of moringa powder, and a cup of lukewarm water. Drink on an empty stomach for 14 days and feel the difference. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Clinical Discovery for more science-backed health breakthroughs, because every sip could be the start of something new.